Ryan.
Oh, you're fucking just standing there waiting for me, huh?
Yeah, you want to talk outside quick?
No, I want to eat my sandwich.
Okay, well, I gotta talk to you. Yeah, do not touch me or I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. Do you understand that? Yep. If you touch me again, you're going in handcuffs.
Abso-fucking-lutely, bud.
I will be cool with you.
We will go on the record.
On June 21st, 2025, in rural Burnett County, Wisconsin, a man covered in the smell of alcohol stood in a gas station and threatened the deputies trying to investigate him. "Do not touch me," he warned, "or I'm going to put you in handcuffs." It sounds like a line from a crime drama. It is not. It is a real moment, captured on real body camera footage, that would later force a Wisconsin judge to decide where a citizen's rights end and a police officer's authority begins.
25 CF 86, State of Wisconsin versus Ryan Richardson. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. We do have Micah Paul, defense counsel, in person with his client, Mr. Richardson. We're set today in this matter for suppression hearing. Are we ready to begin?
Yes, Your Honor.
By the time this story is over, you will understand exactly what reasonable suspicion means, why a single word, detained, can change the entire outcome of a criminal case, and why the man making threats was not the only person under scrutiny that day. The morning started with 3 separate 911 calls. Drivers along State Road 87 reported a dark, colored Chevy Tahoe weaving through traffic, nearly forcing vehicles off the road, and at one point appearing to fall asleep at a stoplight before flooring it again.
Yeah, there's a guy road rage in south of Grantsburg on 87. His license plate's RKL666.
Where are you? Are you by them now?
I'm driving southbound on 87.
Where on 87?
What's that?
Where? Do you have a crossroad?
Just passing Fish Lake Road.
When you say he's road raging, what do you mean exactly? What is he doing?
So I came up to the intersection in town, and it was a red light for me, and he was like sitting in the middle of the intersection, and then he like took a right, pulled into the parking lot. I don't even know what his deal is. I didn't see what happened, or I didn't see anything. And then he like floors it out of the parking lot there, runs up behind me, passes me in town in the 30-mile-an-hour zone there, and then just about hits the guy in front of me, locks his brakes up. And then he like flew up ahead of us and stopped on the side of the road, and then he cut me off and got right up on the guy in front of me again. And then now he's way off ahead of me now. I don't know what his deal is.
Okay, can I get your name?
Jason.
Do you still see him?
No, I don't.
No? Okay.
There's a curve up ahead of me. I'm almost to the wildlife there. What's that?
He passed you, and then he went up to the next vehicle, correct?
Yeah, he passed me, just about hit the car in front of me, and then he like passed him, went way off ahead, and then stopped on the side of the road and waited for us to come up, and then he took off again. He's gone now. I can see up a mile ahead, and he's nowhere to be seen now. So
okay. Alrighty, we'll pass it along to Polk County and give it to our people as well.
Okay.
Anybody in position, but we'll give it to people.
It was like a Tahoe or something, Minnesota plate, RKL666. So. Okay. Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Bye.
Dispatchers relayed the plate number, the description of the driver, reddish blonde hair, a short scruffy beard, and deputies Karen Krupa and Brady Mangan were sent out to find him.
Burnett County 911, where's your emergency?
Hi, I'm heading towards St. Croix Falls on 87, and I just had somebody try to run me off the road.
Okay, was it a black vehicle?
It was like a bluish black like suburban vehicle. Okay. It had Minnesota plate. I didn't quite catch the plate number.
All right, we've gotten a couple calls on this car. My previous caller said that it had turned off on State Road 48. Were you north of State Road 48 when this occurred?
Yeah, I was just coming out of Grantsburg.
Okay. Well, can I get your name and number, and I will add this to our information. What is your name?
Got a little bit of a description of him. He's got
go ahead.
Reddish blonde hair. He's got a scruffy kind of beard, or it's very short, scruffy beard, same color as his hair.
Okay, sounds good. We'll add that to the call. Thank you very much.
All right, thanks.
Okay, yep, you're welcome.
Right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
This is where the case begins to matter to everyone watching, not just legal professionals. Think about the last time you saw someone driving recklessly near your own family. You called it in. You trusted that the system would handle it. This case is about what happens after that call and whether the system handled it the right way. Deputy Krupa found a man lying near the Burnett County Fairgrounds wearing a white t-shirt matching the description almost exactly.
People had called saying that you're laid out in the road.
Yeah, I don't know. Fuck. Sorry.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
You expect crime to be committed here or what?
Well, what are you doing laying out in the road?
Well, fuck. I guess I don't know. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll go on about my business. Sorry.
So I see you got car keys. Do you have a vehicle around here or something?
No, I got no business driving. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing on here.
Where are you from? I mean, did I give you a lift somewhere or?
No, it's not even like that. Hey, I had a bad morning. I got in an argument with my old lady. I just trying to take some space, you know?
Okay.
So I'm just trying to do my thing.
Get back into town or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just taking some space from the old lady.
Okay.
Know?
Do you live here in the county?
Yeah, I live out on.
Okay.
I'm not trying to cause no problems. Fuck,
I get that.
Are you Bridget?
No, I'm Karen.
Karen. That's original.
Why is that?
Oh, just the name, you know.
Oh.
I just knew Bridget a little bit, so I thought maybe.
Okay.
Hey, I'm not trying to cause no problems.
Right. So, who's your old lady?
What do you need to know that for?
Well, now you said that you and your old lady got into an argument.
Well, yeah, I know, but that's nor here nor there. I just walking into town.
Okay, so what's her name?
For what?
Why don't you want to tell me your name?
Oh, my name's Ryan.
Ryan
Richardson. You can run my name if you need to, hon. I'm not trying to hide nothing from you, and I'm not trying to cause no problem.
He gave his name Ryan Richardson. He admitted he didn't know where his car was.
Okay.
Haven't you and your old lady got in quite a few things?
Yep.
And aren't you on probation out of Minnesota?
No, I'm not on probation for nothing.
You sure about that?
Yeah, you can run my name if you need to.
529 Burnett. Can you run Ryan Richardson?
Yeah, you can run it if you need to. I'm not on probation.
Male or female? Male.
You give me right back to my car or what?
Where is your car?
Oh, shit.
You put her in the drink somewhere?
I might have.
Is
I
it
was running the back roads. I might have.
Okay. Is it your car or her car?
Well, I drive my car.
Okay,
I don't
well,
drive her car. Come on, no.
I don't know. There's been a few
Come
times
on
where
now.
she's
Come
called,
on now.
where she's called and said that.
No.
529, I don't have a
I
male,
don't fuck around
Ryan.
like that. I don't take her car out. I have insurance on it. It's my car.
Ryan, Ryan Richardson. Where's your car at?
Fuck, I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine.
Well, I don't
Can
know.
you give me a ride home? I don't live that far away.
I know.
Could you? I mean, we're already in this predicament. Fuck. You don't want to take me to jail, do you?
Not
Can
really.
you take me to home?
Not if you and your old lady got into it.
Nah, it's
You're
not
still
even. It's not
intoxicated.
even like that. It's not even like that. Yeah.
So what's your date of birth, Ryan? Here.
Whatever you need.
Just watching it. Here, let me shut the door.
I'm not. I don't have no warrants. I ain't got nothing. I'm not illegal.
Well, that's a plus.
Yeah. You give me a ride to the bar or what?
Ryan Dean, 12584.
Yep.
Yeah,
He smelled, in the deputy's words, of intoxicants. His eyes were bloodshot and glossy. Krupa later found his Tahoe abandoned in a field driveway, windows down, beer cans visible on the floorboard.
You can call it if you want. Hey. Where the fuck did my car go?
good question.
Let's see. Anyway, I was driving my car. What the fuck? We
What
should have
kind-
hit them back roads real quick. See
what
if we
kind
can
of
find my
car-
truck.
What kind of car is it?
Fucking Chevy Tahoe.
Okay, man.
Oh, sorry.
I'm going for Dre.
Well, I try to find her or what?
Where are you gonna be? Sit right here. Let me go take a sit and see if I.
I'm gonna walk into town and go to the bar.
All right.
Find me when you might need to.
Okay.
But hey, if you find my truck, can you get a hold of me?
Did you have a cell phone on you, man?
Yeah.
It's a black or something.
Yeah,
What color is it?
Tahoe.
Tahoe.
Shit, it's probably all by Fish Lake. I don't know. Did you see me walking in or what?
A bunch of people stopped me and said that you're out here drunk.
That's no good.
Yeah.
Yeah, my truck's probably out there. Find it.
Well, I'm gonna go look for it. You said you were gonna go walk into town.
I don't know. You want my help or?
You don't know.
We're gonna part ways here.
You don't know where it's at.
I don't. I just thought I'd help you. Shit, you don't know where it's at either.
Everything was lining up.
19 to 29. I'll take W south.
Burnett 519-529. Just be advised I ran the 27 on the RO. He's revoked. Lengthy driving record, including high rate of speed and fleeing peace officer.
519 Burnett, I copy.
529-10-4.
When it was related that he was inimical to public safety, what does that mean?
That there is an extensive driving history, typically alcohol-related offenses.
What does it mean about his license?
Canceled?
That he doesn't have one?
That he doesn't have one, correct.
But Richardson was gone, walking, he said, toward town to get a sandwich. Here is the moment the story turns from a routine OI stop into something with real legal teeth. Deputies tracked Richardson to a Sinclair gas station where he was calmly ordering a sub at the subway counter. They waited, out of basic decency, for him to finish ordering before approaching him. What followed was recorded entirely on body camera, and it is the kind of exchange that ends up in law school classrooms.
So Mr. Richardson was currently at the subway counter. So inside the gas station, there's a subway, and Mr. Richardson was ordering a sub at the time. So we waited for Mr. Richardson to get done ordering his sub. He approached us and Deputy Mangan made contact with him.
So you both waited for him to get his sandwich first before talking with him?
Correct.
During that contact, was your body cam on?
Yes, it was.
Once again, have you viewed it prior to today?
Yes, I have.
Does it fairly and accurately describe your contact with him?
Yes, it does.
Is it on that same flash drive I showed you?
Yes, it is.
Okay. I'll play you a portion of this.
That's what I do.
Do I have a lawyer with me? Because
No,
you have reasonable suspicion of
absolutely.
Okay, then what is your reasonable suspicion?
Well, there's a car that's yours. You said it was yours. Parked in a field drive that does not belong here. You don't live on South on 87.
I do live out there, so my truck is reasonably out there.
At your house?
No, but I trap out there, so my truck is reasonably out there. So what do you need from me?
Were you trapping?
Yeah, I was.
What are you trapping?
Do I trap?
Yeah, like I'm not trapping.
Okay. Why don't you get with your lawyer and then start asking me questions? Because I'm not going to answer your questions.
Okay.
I have a right. It's my Fourth and Fifth Amendment right to not answer your questions. So we can do this if you want, or what?
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Bro, I am too. What's up?
We had 4, I think, for sure 3, potentially 4 calls about.
Oh, you did?
That vehicle.
You did?
Yeah, our dispatch center.
Okay.
All 911.
No.
That
Okay.
on that vehicle, exact plate. I was driving erratically, driving people off the road.
Yeah.
So then she finds you walking on the side of the road, right? I wasn't there, so I'm just trying to get the whole picture.
Oh yeah, she
Laying on
called
the
me.
side of the road, or were you laying or walking? I don't know.
No, I was walking.
Okay.
I usually get done if I don't have nothing to drive. Then yeah, I'm gonna lay down and go to bed.
Were you driving that car?
No.
Well, what?
Listen, bud. You want these? Is there a reason that I have to answer your questions right now? Otherwise, we have nothing to interact about. No, I am too. And hey, please don't fucking come at me. Listen,
You're trying to touch
motherfucker.
me. Don't touch me, please. We can be cool.
All right.
I'm
I'm
just
gonna
trying to
walk
figure.
away. I'm gonna walk away right now because that's my right.
You're not free.
I'm not. Am I being detained? You are.
Richardson immediately invoked his rights. Why don't you get with your lawyer? He told the deputies, because I'm not going to answer your questions. He cited what he called his Fourth Action Amendment right. It's not a typo in the transcript. It's a man under suspicion of drunk driving trying to recite constitutional law back to 2 trained officers. Getting the name slightly wrong, but the principle mostly right. The Fourth Amendment protects citizens from unreasonable searches and seizures, and it requires that any detention be based on reasonable suspicion. Specific, articulable facts suggesting a crime occurred, not just a hunch. Richardson asked Deputy Mangan directly what that reasonable suspicion was. It is, frankly, a fair question. And for a moment, the power dynamic in that gas station booth shifts. Then Mangan told him plainly, "Am I being detained?" Richardson asked, "You are?" Mangan answered. That single exchange, that one word, detained, is the legal hinge of the entire case. A detention is temporary and investigative. An arrest is a formal deprivation of liberty requiring probable cause, a higher standard than reasonable suspicion. The defense would later argue these two moments, detention and arrest, happened at different points in time, and that everything said in between mattered enormously to whether the evidence could be used in court. What happened next is the moment that will end up clipped and shared on its own, with no context needed because the words speak entirely for themselves.
So, what is your reasonable suspicion for the crime that's being committed? Well, I need to know that. Because if I'm being detained...
I'm trying to tell you, so if you let me talk, I'll tell you.
Yeah,
Do not touch me or I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. Do you understand that?
Yep.
If you touch me again, you're going in handcuffs.
Abso-fucking-lutely, bud.
I will be cool with you
Wish you weren't so fucking awkward, bud.
as long as you're cool with me. But I've asked you once, please don't touch me. You just touch me again.
Yeah, I didn't.
You
I
might
wasn't
not
being
meant to.
aggressive.
I understand
I wasn't being aggressive,
I
right?
haven't put my hand
Yeah,
on you, so please
I was
don't
just
touch
trying to push you away from me. And maybe that was wrong with me, but
I'm just trying to be straight with you. If you touch me again, you're going in handcuffs.
cool. You want to go that route? We can go that route. We can end it out right now. You want to lock it up? Throw me in handcuffs. Let's go to jail. If that's what the fucking end deal is right now, let's do it. Lock it up. What are we wasting fucking?
As the deputies pressed forward, Richardson grew agitated. "Do not touch me," he said, "or I'm going to put you in handcuffs. Do you understand that? If you touch me again, you're going." He never finished the sentence the way you'd expect. It became, instead, the basis for a criminal charge, threats to law enforcement. A man under investigation for drunk driving had just threatened the officers investigating him on camera in a public subway. Should police be required to explain their reasonable suspicion before a person responds to questioning? Or does that protection only invite suspects to talk their way out of consequences? That's a real question courts wrestle with, and it's one worth sitting with yourself.
There's nothing. Did I not just come in here to get a sub?
You did come in
Cool,
here, so-
cool. I got a sub. I'm enjoying my fucking evening. Am I committing a crime?
What time do you think it is?
Am I committing a crime?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure
It's
out.
about 6:30, 7 o'clock in the afternoon. Am I that far off?
Yes,
I am?
yes, it is 10 a.m.
Like 14 hours off.
I'm way far off. Okay, I'm way far off.
Yeah.
Okay,
Trying to see where I'm thinking. I'm just
Richardson's story kept shifting.
you need me to do something? I need to know what you want me to do.
who's driving your car?
I'm not driving a car. I walked here.
Who's driving your car?
Nobody's driving my car.
Correct. Nobody is currently driving your car. It's in a field drive down south.
Yeah, right. I
Was
parked
driving.
it there. I parked it there and walked. Actually, I had my dirt bike in the back of my truck, and I rolled my dirt bike from there back home. So there's some yeah. At about 5:30 this morning, I went out riding.
Okay.
So there is some discrepancy. If you need a driver of that truck, I was driving that truck this morning. Yeah, I drove it out there with my dirt bike, and I parked it in that parking lot, and then I rolled my dirt bike around. So
About what time?
5:30 in the morning.
5:30 this morning.
Yeah. I left my house at 5:20 this morning. I got to that parking lot about 6 and started ripping on the dirt bike. I got back to the fucking truck about 7-ish. Started driving around.
First, he said he walked to the gas station. Then he admitted he drove his truck to a field, rode a dirt bike, and walked back. Then he admitted the timeline didn't hold up. What he described as happening 12 hours ago had actually happened that same morning, hours before this conversation. Deputies asked him to perform field sobriety tests.
I feel like my Fourth Amendment rights are being violated right
I
now.
understand that might be your fifth, but will you do some field sobriety tests for me or not?
I call your fucking supervisor, whatever you got to do.
Well, she's my supervisor.
I'm not driving. So
You
what
were-
is it? No, I'm
You
not.
were.
No, I'm not.
You just told me you were.
No, I didn't. And listen, I walked here. I walked here and got a sub. So
I agree with that. That's
who the
about
fuck are you to give me a field sobriety test?
I'm asking you.
No, I'm not. I refuse to do that because I have no right to do that.
That's fine. Here's the thing, I'll tell you, I absolutely 100% agree with you, and I'm on a.
Bro, I
same
don't
page
wanna
that you
fucking
walked from
argue.
there to here. We're good on that, I'm with you there. But right now, I'm gonna place you under arrest for robbery while intoxicated, okay? That's what's gonna happen.
Okay.
I asked you twice if you do fields, I'll ask you a third time.
What's your reason for wanting to do a
'Cause you
field
told me
sobriety
it.
test? I didn't tell you. I said I parked my truck and rode my dirt bike, bro. That was 12 hours ago.
Okay.
No, that was 12 hours ago.
It wasn't.
No, it was.
No, it was not. You
It
were
was
driving
12
that
fucking
back
hours
out.
ago. No, I wasn't.
You meet the exact
No, I
description.
wasn't.
You're under the influence.
He refused, again citing his rights, even as his own story collapsed in real time.
You have weapons on you, right?
No, not at all.
Okay, can I search you?
Yeah, absolutely, brother. I got a cell phone in this pocket.
That's good.
I got a little bit of weed on me.
There's a little bit of weed at.
In my pocket, bro. I'm trying to hide shit. Maybe I don't even have any on me. Fuck. I just always do, so I better tell you. I'm a smoker, bro. Yeah, see? Come on, you know.
It's rolling.
Yeah, see, I ain't got nothing on me. Dude, I'm not trying to fuck with you. I'm not trying to get. So quit busting my balls, bro. Can you guys let me go home?
You just said that it was okay for him to search you. He's searching you quick, and then you mentioned you may have some weed on you.
Still illegal.
Thank God.
Thank God.
He was arrested, taken for a blood draw, and charged. Months later, in a suppression hearing, his attorney argued the deputies lacked reasonable suspicion before that detention began. The judge disagreed, allowing the body camera footage and dispatch recordings as evidence, ruling that hearsay is permitted in suppression hearings, specifically to establish how officers built their suspicion.
I do have an objection as to hearsay as to the statements that were made in the 911 call. Those are out-of-court statements, and those people didn't testify today in court to the statements. However, based on the rest of the testimony, I don't think the state offered them for the truth of the matter. So with that caveat, if the court's willing to sustain the objection as to the truth of the matter asserted, I guess that's how I'll put my objection.
Mr. Schmidt?
I think for suppression hearings, the reason why the recording was put in there is because an officer relied on what another officer said. And for that, the state has to develop how that officer had reasonable suspicion, i.e. how Amy texted. And it's pretty regular practice to testify about what other people told them to form the basis of that.
Furthermore, in suppression hearings, hearsay is admissible. It is admitted. All right.
But the case isn't over. The judge ordered written briefs, a process that will stretch into autumn before any final ruling, meaning the man who threatened deputies on camera is still, months later, waiting to find out whether his words will be the evidence that convicts him.
Mr. Paul, I'm going to ask you, since you're the defense attorney, and you've sat through this hearing, would you prefer to have a written argument?
I guess to ask for clarification, you're asking if we'd like to submit briefs after today's hearing?
Correct.
I don't think so, Your Honor. I think the motion itself lays out, at least from the defense's standpoint, I don't think the evidence that was presented in the hearing today is materially different.
So you want to do an oral argument? All right, Mr. Schmidt.
I want to do writing because I have not filed a written response to their brief and because my argument's going to be making specific references to timestamps.
All right, and writing it is. State's due by July 24th. Is that enough time? It's over a month.
It is.
How long would you need in response?
I think a month would be appropriate.
What?
A month, if I could.
Well, then let's tighten it up. July 17th for the state. And let me verify how many weeks that is. 1, 2, 3. three.
I mean, frankly, Your Honor, I'm not certain that I'm going to respond to the state's brief, but I do, if I need to, I want an opportunity about approximately what the state has.
Your response is due by August 13. July 17 for the state, August 13 defense. I'm going to guess you may want a rebuttal or no. Or you just want
If I do, I only need like less than a week.
All right, well, I'll give you until August 20th for any rebuttal. Generally, I am not an oral ruling kind of judge. I'm a written decision kind of judge, but I'm going to set it for oral ruling that may turn into a status. What about 1 o'clock to 1:30 on October 5th?
That appears to work for me, Your Honor. I just want to confirm that it's not that my computer is not loading. I think that does work for me.
All right. October 5th, Monday, October 5th, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, not 1:30?
1 o'clock to 1:30.
Okay.
Unless 1:30 works better, Mr.
Nope, either work. I just wanted to be clear.
All right, we will see you then.
The lesson here is simple but easy to forget. Knowing your rights is valuable, but invoking them does not undo the facts already in evidence. And the moment you threaten the people enforcing the law, you hand them something no lawyer can argue away. Tell us in the comments which courtroom case or police encounter you want us to break down next. And if this case opened your eyes to how reasonable suspicion really works, subscribe and share this video so more people understand their rights before they ever need them.